Huawei Nova 4 will have a 48MP sensor, specs reveals. Let's get started. The Honor View 20 made a splash with its 48MP camera, but the mothership brand has a 48MP phone incoming too. The Huawei Nova 4. However, not every will get the super high resolution sensor. Here's a slide with specs that offer more details than Tenor did yesterday. The premium version of the phone will have a 48 plus 16 plus 20 megapixel triple camera on its back. The vanilla version will swap out the first sensor for a 20MP one. That's still 2 more cameras than the Honor phone. A single 25MP selfie camera will occupy the punch hole in the top left corner of the screen. Speaking of, it will be a 6.4 screen with 1080p plus resolution, and an odd 19.25:9 aspect ratio. The Nova 4 will use a Kirin 970 chipset, last year's flagship grade chipset, instead of the 980. Anyway, the chip will be paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. The battery capacity is listed as 3,750 mAh and it will support 18 watts charging. The Huawei Nova 4 will be officially unveiled on December 17th. That's it from this video. Subscribe our channel and hit bell icon to get our daily video notifications because I make video about tech, gaming and tutorials. Smile.